In today's fast-paced digital world, creating engaging video content can feel like an uphill battle. The pressure to constantly produce fresh, relatable content is overwhelming, especially when trying to captivate your audience and stand out in the crowded social media landscape. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or want to start one, you know how important it is to create regular, engaging content to get consistent views and engagement. However, that can sometimes be very challenging. But no need to worry. In today's video, I will show you a tool that can help you create great, captivating videos with just a few clicks. Let me introduce you to SimilarVideo, the ultimate solution for effortless video creation. Instantly transform your ideas into shareable media with AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and trending visuals. No filming, no fuss, just impactful content that boosts your brand's reach and engagement from day one. Elevate your content game with SimilarVideo. I will show you everything in detail, so make sure you pay very good attention. Now, without any more delays, let's get started. First, click on the link in the description and it will take you to the official page. After that, you need to sign up using your email ID. With SimilarVideo, you can transform your brand messages, ideas, and inspiration into engaging media that resonates across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Simply enter your content ideas and the AI generator takes care of the rest, producing scripts, audio, video clips, images, and transitions tailored to your needs. Whether you're creating a meme or a full-length video, this platform streamlines the entire production process, making it accessible for everyone. No prior experience is needed. Moreover, tap into the power of meme marketing and connect with your audience through relatable content that captures attention and drives engagement. The intuitive interface allows you to create professional quality content in just a few clicks with no technical skills required. Let's try this amazing AI tool for free. Now, once you sign up, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. Here, you have two options. First, you can create a video by using the URL of the video that you want to replicate, or you can just give it a prompt and the AI will generate the entire script and video for you. Let's try the first option. Here, you can simply paste the link of your target video, or if you are looking for inspiration, you can click here. And from this page, you can find many viral videos to take inspiration from. As you can see, there are so many viral videos available, and you can even select a category if you want from here. Let's go with the pets category. Now I will select a video. Let's go with this one. After that, you can enter your product or brand name here. Then you can give a description if you want, and you can also upload your own footage. Once you're done, click on Similar Script Rewrite and wait until the process is complete. Once it's over, we will have this interface in front of us. You can see the script of the sample short video. Just next to this, we have the regenerated script for our video. Here, we have 3 different script samples we can choose from depending on our needs. Once the regenerated script is selected, hit Next, and we'll have this interface before us. Here we have different options to customize our video. You can select a visual style and add a celebrity hook. Choose from a variety of options to make your content stand out. Use the cartoon and celebrity voice generator to instantly convert text into over 100 different voiceovers, adding a fun and engaging element to your videos. And you can also add your own avatars, which I will show you in a bit. Additionally, you'll have access to the hot hook and meme library to find compelling hooks and celebrity themed memes. Let's start with the celebrity hook. You can see we have numerous options here. By selecting any celebrity hook, the voice will be added to the entire video. Just scroll down and you'll find many options to choose from. In our case, let's choose Drake. Once you click this, you will have multiple different options. Let's choose this one. Once you've set your preferences, click Generate and watch as the SimilarVideo brings your vision to life in just moments. You'll have a high-quality video ready to share with the world, designed to attract millions of organic views. Once it's done, you can make changes as needed. We can see the script along with the relevant footage here. Let's play the video, and you can see it begins with Drake's hook. The entire video is in his voice, with captions for each footage that can be changed according to the video requirements. By hitting here, we can regenerate a new scene or create a completely new scene. Furthermore, we can add a blank scene if needed. Likewise, in each scene, we can add effects to make our video more engaging. So let us choose this one. In the same way, we can make changes in each scene and finalize our video. In the settings section, we have various options. We can adjust the music volume and vocals. Next, we have options to change the caption style, size, and position of the captions. We can make the necessary changes to make our video more stunning. Once done with these changes, let's play the final version of the video. And here you go. Once you are done with everything, we have the option to export this to our system. Let's click here and it will ask you to choose your desired resolution. Once selected, this AI tool will begin the process. Wait until the process is complete, and once it's done, you can download it to your system. And here is the final video, completely regenerated using just a few clicks, and that too with a viral celebrity hook and voiceover. Isn't this just awesome? Now let's go back and explore the next feature. Here we have an option to add celebrity stickers to our video. Yes, it's possible. Here, you have numerous voices of prominent personalities. You can choose any of the popular voices to make your video go viral. Let's try the voice of Cristiano Ronaldo. Once chosen, hit generate and wait for a while. Now you have the same video, but this time in the voice of the GOAT, Cristiano Ronaldo. This is really amazing. To make changes, follow the same steps as discussed previously. Let's go back and explore the other features. This time, let's try B-roll footage. You can see we have several options to choose from. By choosing any of them, we will have celebrity's voice added to the video. Let's choose this one. Once selected, hit generate and wait for a while. This time you have the video with Travis's voice. In this way, we can bring creativity to our videos using the SimilarVideo tool. Likewise, we can generate AI voices using the same platform. You can see we have a plethora of options. This is how we can modify our videos using this AI tool. Now, let's discuss the text-to-video feature. With text-to-video, you can input a text-based script and generate videos with celebrity stickers and voiceovers to create shorts that attract millions of organic views on Instagram or YouTube 10 times faster. Start by entering your script, and this AI will handle the rest, turning your words into engaging visual content. Customize your video by selecting a visual style. Choose from options like starting with a hook, celebrity sticker, or beginning with a viral voiceover. Enhance your video with the cartoon and celebrity voice generator. Instantly convert text into over 100 different voiceovers, including voices of popular cartoons and celebrities. Now, let me show you how you can create your own avatar in just a few clicks. First, go to My Avatar and then name your character. After that, upload a photo of yourself. Next, record a voice clip of yourself and upload it here, and the AI will automatically clone your voice. Then upload your highlight video and the AI will automatically remove the background for you. After that, you can upload one of your iconic clips and it will be used as the opening of the video. After that, you don't need to do anything else. The system will automatically save your changes. Now, to use the avatar, go to the main interface and choose any of the options. Next, I will give a sample script and then you can upload your product video if you want. Next, in the My Avatar section, you will be able to select the avatar you just created. Now, select the avatar and click on Generate and you're done. The system will automatically add your avatar to the video along with the voiceover. Isn't this amazing? It saves you a lot of time and effort. Now, if you don't want to upload your own image or voice, no need to worry. You can also use this tool to create avatars of famous personalities. Let me show you how you can do that. First, go to avatars, then name your avatar. Suppose your brand ambassador is Charli D'Amelio. So I will upload the image, voice, and cool stickers of her, and the AI will automatically create the avatar for you. Next, head over to create video, then click on create now. After that, head over to TikTok or Instagram, copy the link of the video and paste it here. Give it your brand name, then upload your own product video from here. And SimilarVideo will do the rest for you. Once the script is ready, click on next, then select sticker mode from here. After that, select the avatar from here and click on generate. And look at that. Your custom avatar video is ready and it looks awesome too. Now, if you want your product video to show throughout the video, just click edit from here, delete the rest of the clips and drag your video to match the length. And just like that, you have a celebrity video promoting your product. Now you can post this video on social media and get so many views. Isn't this awesome? Now let's explore the pricing plans that make SimilarVideo accessible for everyone, from small businesses to large organizations. Starting with the standard plan at just $10 for the first month, then $39 per month. This plan is perfect for growing businesses aiming to reach wider audiences and drive more sales. Upgrade to the Pro plan for $79 per month, ideal for businesses wanting to expand their reach and create more impactful content. Check out each plan and try SimilarVideo to go viral on the internet. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.